Let's start with glass material for windows. I will select the layer with windows. Let's open the material editor and add a new Corona physical material. As always, change the preset to glass and apply the material to the object. Let's see how it looks rendered. I will create a new layer for fog so it's easier to turn it on and off. I will disable the fog for now. We have to turn off the material override. I will also select the balustrade glass and apply the same material. Great! Add a new Corona physical material. Apply it to the balustrade tops. I will decrease the roughness so the material is more reflective. Then darken the color. I will also apply the same material to the windows frames. Awesome! Create a new Corona physical material. Here are the maps from Reworld we will use for the walls. I will add the color map, normal, displacement, and roughness. Let's plug everything into the material. The sizing is already applied. As you can see in the preview, the roughness looks good. The building is far away, so we don't need displacement as it won't be visible anyway. This way, we'll save some memory. For the top floor, I will use the same material, but make it a bit darker. Let's use the color correct map and adjust the parameters. I will desaturate it a bit. I will use the same material for planters. I think it's too dark. Let's use the brighter material. We have to adjust the mapping on the planters. For balconies, I will add a simple plaster material. Here are the maps from Reworld. I will be using the color, normal, and roughness maps to the editor and plug everything together. The material is too bright, so I will darken it using the color correct map. Looking good. Next, the pavement. Here are the Reworld maps I will be using. Here, I have included the gloss map, so you know how to use these types of maps as well. Let's start by plugging in the color map. I will go to perspective mode so we can see the material better. To change the mode to glossiness, we have to go to Advanced Options and change the roughness mode to glossiness. Let's plug the other maps. I will unplug the color and gloss maps for now and then adjust the displacement. We have to make it stronger. I will unhide the trees and plug the other maps back. Let's zoom in so we can see the pavement better. I think we need to increase the displacement a little bit more. Okay, it looks fine. For the ground, I will use just the color map because it will be covered with grass, so it won't be visible anyway. Lastly, let's add the sand material. Here are the textures. I will add a standard material to the editor and plug everything together. Again, let's go to perspective mode. Let's adjust the mapping. The displacement and normal maps are looking really good. can see that in the camera view, it's a bit too flat. I will add a noise modifier so it looks more 3D. I increase the strength in the Z-axis. Looking way better.